Good morning, children. Today, in surface areas and volumes part 7, we are going to discuss about sphere and hemisphere, total surface area and curved surface area. Sphere and hemisphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure which is made of all points in the space which lie at a constant distance called radius from a fixed point called center of the sphere. We can see the figures which represent sphere. A hemisphere is defined as the three-dimensional shape that's half of a sphere with one flat circular side. Surface area of a sphere. The surface area of a sphere is defined as the amount of region covered by the surface of a sphere. Total surface area is the total area, that is area of all the sides, top and bottom of the solid object. In case of a sphere, it doesn't have a flat surface. Therefore, total surface area of a sphere is also equal to the curved surface area of a sphere. We can say total surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of the sphere. As we know, total surface area and curved surface area of a sphere remains the same. Curved surface area or CSA is also equal to 4 pi r square. Surface area of a hemisphere. Curved surface area. The area of the outer surface of the hemisphere is called the curved surface area. As a hemisphere is half of a sphere, the area of its curved surface is half of the surface area of the sphere. Therefore, we can say curved surface area of a hemisphere is half of 4 pi r square, which is 2 pi r square, where r is the radius of the hemisphere. Total surface area is the area of the curved surface and area of the circle, which is the base, is called the total surface area. Therefore, total surface area of a hemisphere will be 2 pi r square plus pi r square, which is equal to 3 pi r square. Based on the total surface area and curved surface area of a sphere and hemisphere, let us start exercise 13.4 in page number 225. Question number 1. Find the surface area of a sphere of radius 10.5 cm. We know surface area means total surface area, which is equal to 4 pi r square. Substituting the value for pi and radius, that is 4 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 square, we can see the answer as 1386 centimeter square. In question number 2, find the surface area of a sphere of diameter 3.5 centimeter. Here we are given diameter instead of radius. So diameter is 3.5 means radius will be half of 3.5, which is equal to 1.75. Therefore, total surface area will be 4 pi r square, which is 4 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 square, and our answer is 38.5 centimeter square. In question number 3, we are given the find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10. We should take the value of pi as 3.14. Here the shape is a hemisphere and radius is equal to 10. Total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r square, that is 3 into 3.14 into 10 square, which is equal to 942 centimeter square. Question number 4. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 cm to 14 cm as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface areas of the balloon in two cases. In the first case, we are given the radius of the balloon, that is small letter r, equal to 7 cm. When air is pumped into the balloon, the radius changes from 7 to 14, which is taken as capital letter R. We are asked to find the ratio of their surface area, which is 4 pi small r square divided by 4 pi capital R square. 4 pi into 7 square divided by 4 pi into 14 square. Cancellation, we can see it is 1 by 4 and the ratio of their surface areas will be 1:4. Question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 cm. Find the cost of tin plating it on the inside at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 cm square. Here, diameter is given as 10.5 cm. Therefore, radius will be 5.25 cm. CSA of the bowl is equal to 2 pi r square. 2 into 22 by 7 into 5.25 square is equal to 173.25 centimeter square. We need to find the cost of tin plating it inside. Therefore, cost of tin plating the bowl per 100 centimeter is given as 16 rupees. Therefore, cost of tin plating the bowl per 1 centimeter square will be 0.16. Therefore, the total area for plating is 173.25. So, for finding the total cost, it will be cost of tin plating 173.25 centimeter square is equal to 0.16 into 173.25, which is 27 rupees 72 paise. Question number 6. Find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 cm square. Here we are given the surface area of the sphere, that is 4 pi r square is 154, and by substituting the value for pi we can find r square, and by taking the square root of r square we can find r, which is radius of the sphere. It will be 4 into 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 154. Therefore, r square is equal to 154 into 7 by 4 into 22, which is 49 by 4. Square root of 49 by 4 is 7 by 2, which is 3.5 centimeter. Question number 7. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. We are given the connection, that is diameter of moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. So let us take earth's diameter as 2r. Therefore, radius of the earth will be r. We are given the relation diameter of the moon is 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Therefore, diameter of the moon will be the diameter of earth 2r divided by 4, which is r by 2. And we can see the radius will be half of the diameter r by 2, which is r by 4. As we want to find the ratio of their surface area, we can find surface area of the moon as well as surface area of the earth. Surface area of the moon will be 4 pi r by 4 whole square, and surface area of the earth will be 4 pi r square. Cancelling 4 pi and r from the numerator, we can see it will be 1 by 16 by 1, which is in the ratio 1:16. Question number 9. A right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Find surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, ratio of areas obtained in 1 and 2. We can see a cylinder and a sphere enclosed in the cylinder, and we are given the radius of the sphere is r. We are asked to find the surface area of the sphere with radius r. Surface area will be 4 pi r square itself. To find the curved surface area of the cylinder, we can see if the radius of the sphere is r, height of the cylinder will be r plus r, which is equal to 2r. Substituting the formula 2 pi r h, where h is equal to 2r, our answer will be 4 pi r square. For finding the ratio of their areas, we can see 4 pi r square by 4 pi r square, which is equal to 1 by 1, and the ratio is 1:1. Based on the surface area of a sphere and hemisphere, do the remaining questions of the exercise 13.4 in page number 225 and practice these two extra questions. Thank you.